credit calls, you better come collect, son. My boost ran out of minutes, now I gotta get some. Sometimes I wear it on my belt, just like a beeper. A woman saw me flip it, she knew I was a keeper. Don't have fancy games and I really don't care. Leave your phone in the air if you's a Tetris player. Flip phone squad likes to keep it legit. If you wearing skinny jeans, then it probably won't fit. We've been sporting flippers, we ain't never gonna quit. So if y'all can feel me, let me see you make it flip. You won't see me being rude, taking pictures of my food. No. I won't be checking in right before the show begins. I don't have a flash to give you any extra light. Couldn't get a hashtag if it depended on my life. Don't send me any picture or any group text, please. 10, 11 hours for the flip to unfreeze. People treat me funny like I got disease, but they jealous of my flip phone technology.